Rafaela Reyes, Stolen Feathers, Unit 16, retold by Rafaela Reyes. The great god Zeus declared that he would crown the most grand bird in the world to be king. All the birds rushed to pamper themselves for the big day. Jackdaw didn't go and pamper himself, for he knew that he would never be King Jackdaw. Down at the river he discovered the fallen feathers that all the birds had dropped. He quickly covered himself with feathers. When the birds strutted in front of the palace of Zeus, Jackdaw caught the god's attention. "You'll be king," Zeus declared. Suddenly Peacock spotted his feathers and plucked them off, and the feathers fell. Since Peacock discovered the naughty plan, he was king, and he was beautiful. Then Jackdaw flew down to the river's edge. He had worked out a plan to make sure he would win. All that night, under the light of the full moon, he strutted along the riverbank, collecting feathers which the other birds had molted. Before long, his appearance began to change. The night passed, and all the birds in the jungle came down to the river. They gazed in wonder at the new arrival. "How handsome and beautiful," said one. "It is the most stunning bird I have ever seen," gasped another. "What possible chance do we have against such a creature?" moaned another. At midday, when the sun was overhead, Zeus spoke from above. "Now is the time when I must choose which of you is the most handsome, and which will be king of all the birds in the jungle and the plains beyond." As he spoke, each bird paraded in front of the great god. The little wren, as clean and shiny as a new pin, the toucan with his long beak, the ostrich with his neck stretched to its full length. One by one, they mounted the huge grey stone by the river to show themselves off. At last it was the turn of the new arrival to mount the stone. Round and round he twirled in all his glory, while the others looked on. Zeus was just about to award him the prize when the little green Mot-Mot spoke up. "I recognize that feather," he said. "It's one of my tail feathers." And he pulled a feather from the strange bird's back. The giant ostrich joined in. "That white feather's from my left leg." Before long, all the birds had gathered round, claiming back the feathers they recognized as their own. For a few moments, all was a flurry and a flying of hundreds of feathers. Then the jackdaw stood alone, naked on the giant stone, surrounded by the birds. "By stealing from others, you have pretended to be something you are not," boomed Zeus. "For this behavior you are banished forever from the jungle," and so he was.